guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to learn how to make a paper traditional boat. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. You need paper, A4 size paper, any colorful paper. Then you need use your nails to make the edges. Then again do like this and make another part of the paper, and I can fold it. Then you have to make over here. Then like this, yeah. Then make it like this. Then make sure that the image of paper is perfect. Okay. Then do this. Make sure that it is perfect. And use the same process. Paper boat. Okay, you can say it's a traditional paper boat. Pretty cool, huh? And now it's going to be, I need to wait for a resume. Why? Because it's not becoming stretchy. Look, it's mad, man. It's perfect. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and for the products. See you in the next video. Bye.